Modular WA offer a turnkey solution for the construction and installation of quality commercial buildings. Backed by the financial strength of the Wyllie Group, Modular WA bring a new level of quality, finish and customer service to industrial construction. Built strong and fit for purpose for WA's harsh conditions. Whether it's to meet the requirements of the mining industry, education, administration, sports, government or tourism, you can rely on the award-winning team at Modular WA. Buildings are designed and constructed at our Wayne McGrath facilities. Our tradesmen are focused on compliance, ensuring your build meets the required specifications and can be relied on for years to come, all backed with a 10-year structural guarantee. Our focus on safety is a key aspect of our construction and business approach. Each project is covered by our comprehensive health, safety, environmental and quality management systems. Modular WA provide a comprehensive site installation solution which can include earthworks, connection of services, even landscaping and fencing. But the real strength of the business is its core commitment to customer service, an uncompromising commitment to quality and to finding innovative solutions. Modular WA.